you know, I'm so proud of her. I couldn't be happier for her.
Khalil, nakatrabaho mo na si Gabby many times sa mga projects, di ba? If you rate her 1 to 10, how is she as a actress, as a host, and last as a girlfriend? Yung tatlo na yan.
Siyempre 10 sa lahat. You know, 10 sa lahat. You know, if anything, grabe ang work ethic niya. That's like hindi ako like showbiz aside or being a partner aside. Kahit na tanungin niyo yung pro, tanungin niyo yung mga nakatrabaho niya. Ang hindi mo matatanggal sa kanya, grabe siya magtrabaho. Sobrang mahal niya yung ginagawa niya and sobrang professional niya. That's something that is effortless for her, which is you know, it just goes to show she was really raised well by her parents, by tito at tita, and yung pagpapalaki sa kanya talaga maganda at yung value system niya matibay na matibay kasi grabe wala talagang ano sa kanya, wala kang makikita kahit anong unprofessionalism. Lagi niya sinasabi niya maarte siya pero hindi siya nagiging arte. Sinabi din niya yung sa bahay ni Kuya, disclaimer niya agad sa lahat. Kasi she's often misinterpreted na, ang arte-arte naman ito. Pero kasi maarte talaga siya. Kasi very kikay, very maarte, the way she talks, and very straightforward din siya, very frank. So, she is who she is, as in no filter, as in siya yung you do you talaga. And that's something that I admire about her. So, mapa-actress, host, tsaka bilang girlfriend ako, I'm 10 out of 10 rating, super wala akong
Lagpas pa sa 10.
Lagpas pa sa 10.
Pero ito no, parang in 8 years nyo, hindi biro yun parang sa relationship.
Oo.
Pero syempre, I don't know if you wanna answer it or not. May napapag-usapan nyo na rin ba to settle down? Or may mga ganon?
We talk about it a lot. I think, ewan ko kung paano hinandle ng mga previous generations, yung mga parents namin. But then, I guess, siguro ngayon, because of the way we communicate, I guess, kami we talk about it a lot. At for me, dapat lang, it's not something that we should shy away from talking about. Kasi kami dalawa, early into the relationship, we made it clear na we are our intent or yung sa amin, sa sarili namin personally, we wanna date to marry. We're not looking for date ng wala lang, for fun lang. So, di ba, pagka sinabi mo yun sa isang taong hindi kayo parehas, medyo mataturn off na, oy, ano pa na siya, medyo hindi kami match kasi. Pero kami, nag-match kami. So, yun yung intention namin. Early pa lang, hindi pa kami nakaka 1 year.
Wow.
Na sabihan na kami ng intentions na, oh, why are we doing this? Siguro kasi kami, di ba nga, sa showbiz, ano ang pahinga, ginto yan sa amin. So, yung oras, di ba, parang latag mo yung intentions mo kasi ayaw magsaya ng oras kasi sa amin, yung time namin sobrang importante. Yun yung isa sa mga privileges na makapagpahinga at makagawa ng mga bagay outside show. So going back to that, yeah, we talk about it a lot. Syempre, naniniwala pa rin kami na ayaw namin i-jinx or we don't talk about it too much, but we talk about the timings. Of course, to be completely honest, that's something in the near future. It's something that we're going to do is to settle down.
So if may ma-achieve na certain milestone kayo, doon yung masasabi na this is the time or may specific time na kayo?
Parang wala naman in terms of milestone, wala naman. Pero parang I think yun nga, like I'm gonna circle back to 2023. Hindi pa siya nagka-problems pa siya in terms of her career path. She wanted to solidify that first. So syempre, ayoko mag-propose na habang nang ganun siya, di ba? Ano siya, hindi pa time. So I guess in terms of timing, maybe yung feeling na yun na in terms of the external forces or the everything that's surrounding us, hindi na masyadong mababago yung because of the marriage. Tsaka namin gagawin. Pero as of now, syempre she has so much to do, but she's still solidifying her track as host. So madami pa niya matutunan. So as of now, syempre sa pagka-busy namin, hindi pa, not exactly the time, but when we would talk about it, it's coming naman na. It's something that we talk about naman.
Going back to you, Outer Gabby, tell us something about yung How to Cheat, di ba? Saka yung one hit wonder mo. Kumbaga, this April na yun, di ba? Palabas NB, di ba?
April 2.
April 2,
yung not giving too much, pero ano lang yung magiging role and ano lang.
yung How to Cheat Death, so that we shot in January 2024. So actually, iba-iba yung itsura namin noon. Kasi medyo, ang layo pa actually yung itsura ko. Medyo mataba nga ako noon. Sabi ko, ibang-iba na itsura ko, biglang ano. But, yeah, yung series na yun, that is, that was supposedly, si Siri, sumagot.
Kala niya series.
Yung series na yun, supposedly 2024 pa ipapalabas. But then nagulat na lang kami na, okay, 2025 na April na lalabas. So, for context, yon ay isang mystery, romance, syempre, romantic comedy mystery, parang ganun siya. Yung theme niya para siyang hindi naman siya sobrang serious. Actually, medyo fun and entertaining lang yung series na yun. Pero may pagka-fantasy siya. So, yung characters namin ni Gabby, bigla silang, yung dalawang yun, bigla nilang na-realize na meron silang power na mabago yung kapalaran ng mga tao pagka magkasama sila. So, hence the title, How to Cheat Death. So, parang, nagkaroon sila ng responsibilidad na nasa kamay nila kung mabubuhay o mamamatay ba ang isang tao. So yun yung theme niya. And then syempre it's also a love story. So two strangers sila na mamimit na parang fate nila na bigla silang nagkaroon ng ganitong kapangyarihan. So anong gagawin niya? Yun, very siya, cool yung series na yun, ang daming visual effects.
So light lang siya?
Yeah, it's pretty light. It's light, it's an easy watch.
Yung one hit.
Yung one hit naman, kasama ko si Sue Ramirez. We shot that for quite a long time. Latter half of 2024, heading to early 2025, January. I think we wrapped shooting mga January. Kasama ko din si Kuya Nick doon, si Kuya Romney. So actually yun yung first project namin together.
Pero nauna pa ipalabas.
Nauna pa ipalabas yung All Saints Day kasi may festival. So yun ay isang Netflix original. If I'm not mistaken, yung Netflix, nagkaroon sila ng Netflix Philippines. Nagkaroon ng parang first batch na talagang sila yung nag-produce. Medyo, don't quote me on it, pero parang medyo, I think medyo technical kasi na merong Netflix original na in-acquire lang nila, pero pinroduce na ng iba, tapos merong hindi Netflix original, like How to Cheat Death, hindi siya original pero ipapalabas siya sa Netflix.
Yung one hit is really
original by
Yeah.
Netflix.
I think similar to Social Climbers. Yeah, sila Paris tsaka si Anthony. Parang ganun yung naging parang bago nilang parang bago nilang initiative nila. Yung isa pa I think is with Miss Ugueto and Barbie. Yun yung pangatlo yata na papalabas.
And your role doon, may giving,
Yung
share ka ba?
One Hit Wonder, Kasi teaser photos pa lang pinakalabas.
Ah,
Pero,
okay.
wala pang love line. Pero, ano siya, it's music film. Hindi siya musical, but musikero kami. Musikero kami. Kita naman yun sa nakikitara ako, tapos may banda. So musikero kami, tapos love story din siya. Yun naman movie. So Netflix film siya. We're very excited dahil ma-appreciate siya ng mga millennials. For sure. Especially the early millennials. So yun na yung clue ko. So in terms of era, kayo na lang magtagpi-tagpi ko.
Pero hindi naman siya biography. Kasi one
Hindi siya it's loosely based on a certain era at a time in the music industry, in the OPM industry, and a certain song. So, kasi yun, One Hit Wonder yung title. So, yun pa lang yung masasabi. Ang ganda niya kasi feeling ko ang daming makakarelate at ang daming grabe kasi yung grabe yung mga kanta. Yun na lang, grabe yung mga kanta.
So you're gonna sing a lot here.
Single yan, daming songs here. So,
Do you consider